Hey guys, it's me here today and we're doing another pack opening. We do it every week. Do we? So yeah, you get £10 each week. So there's all of our packs. We get 3 packs each. Yeah, that's good. So we're just going to get right into it because we don't have much time.
So I'm going to open mine first. There's the code. You can see that. There you go, 1, 2, 3. So we got Pelipper, Pokeball, Hypno, Alolan Hypno. No, it's just Hypno.
This is my code.
Cosmog. Litten, yes!
Who's Litten?
The starter of Incineroar. And this guy.
You got Incineroar?
No, that's got to set up. Ooh, what's this? Lip Shouder. Hyranian. And a Metal Energy.
So I have got a Psyduck, a Spearow, Dratini, Cutterfly, Shinchou, Rattata.
Oh, you got GX! Oh, I got GX! Oh my god! Oh my god! A GX! A GX! A GX! Oh my gosh, guy! Oh my god! GX! We got GX!
Gumshoos GX, guys! Oh my god, I can't believe it! Oh my god, guys, I need to pause this. So, just opening these packs quickly. I'm gonna go Diglett,
Corfly, Macula, Snowball, Alolan, Rattata, Sandile, Wingloo, Bunsquick, Romodex, Prinkle, and Great
Guys,
Ball.
we got that guy again. Oh, and Apollo Sand. Can't believe we got a GX.
Next time.
Yeah?
Goblin,
Lucas.
So I got Grunib, Spearow, Alolan Grammar, Rowlet, Drowsy,
Full art.
Alolan Dog Trio,
Shelder,
and
I don't know who he is. Fearow, Grubbin, Drowsy, Jabub, Remo Beeb, Energy, Piston Barb, and a Torracat. Right,
no,
guys.
this is a secret rare.
Is it?
Yeah, no.